So ito next, task building draw 1.4. So gagawin natin nito, draw rectangular feature using square tool. So, square lang to lahat. So before, after. Number 2, don't follow the roof ridge. Need to draw straight line for each side. 3D on the visible walls. So itong may broken line. Okay, gagawin natin to guys. Download muna natin ha. Download task 30 na lang. So rectangle E, parallel tool E. Ganyan lang to, dali lang to guys. Lang rectangle, ganyan lang, rectangle. Yan. So explain ko muna guys ha, ano to, don't follow the roof ridge. Kasi to delete the label guys, select A tool, A. Yan, select tool, select letter B. Press letter B para ma-delete B. Okay, ganito to guys, don't follow the roof ridge. Minsan pag hindi yung labeler hindi alam yung instruction, ginaganito nila pag draw. Pina-follow nila yung roof ridge. Ito mali to guys ha. Huwag kayo mag-label ng ganito guys. Kahit na nakita nyo na may point naman siya, pero ganito na pagka-label is wrong. Kasi bubong yan. Hindi natin yan isasali. So straight lang. Ganyan lang ang pagka-label niya. Okay. So number 3, 3D on the visible walls. So paano mag 3D? Select nyo lang to guys. Hold control, click, drag. Yan. Ang 3D wall niya andun lang sa ground. Yan. Yan. Ground na yan. So select tool, select, hold control, click, drag. Ganyan na guys. Select, hold control, click, drag. Yan. Sali pang ground, ano lang natin, usog lang konti. Okay na yan. Submit na. Submit. Thank you.